this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 10th, 2020.
Hi everyone. I wanted to take a few minutes to wish all of you a very happy and healthy new year. It's 2020, we're in a new decade, and Palm Beach Maritime Academy is moving ahead as always. I want to also take a minute to remind middle and high school parents that our winter diagnostics will be next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Please make sure your children take these tests seriously because they really help guide instruction so we don't waste time on what they already know and we can focus on the things that they don't know. So going to bed early and following all of the test protocols is a very good idea. Please take these tests seriously. Thank you for all of your support, and I wish you again a very happy and healthy new year. Thank you.
Last week, PBMA re-enrollment packets went out to parents. Charter school parents need to re-enroll for school each and every year. Packets are due on Friday, January 24th, to guarantee your child's spot for next year. Please let me know if you need the packet in a different language. After January 24th, we will start accepting new students to PBMA, and your application may be put in the lottery. Make sure your application is in before January 24th so that doesn't happen. Here are some upcoming events. This Saturday, January 11th, is an open house for new students interested in registering to our school. 10 a.m. is at the elementary school, and 11 o'clock a.m. is at the secondary school. This is also a great time for 5th graders to check out our middle school campus for next year.
Hi, my name is Jane Murphy. I'm the assistant principal at Palm Beach Maritime Academy Secondary Campus. Hello parents and students. Next Wednesday, January 15th, we will be having a testing night for information for parents to prepare their students for the upcoming tests that will be happening for the FSA and EOC exams throughout the course of the year. We welcome all parents to come. The first night on the 15th will be for reading on English. January 22nd will be the night for math and science for parents to attend to learn more information about our upcoming FSA and EOC exams. Thank you very much. We hope to see you there.
Monday, January 20th, school is closed to celebrate Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The week of January 27th will be Literacy Week at the elementary school. There will be more information on this event in the next video. February 26th and 27th, 2020 is the secondary trip to Marine Lab in the Keys. The field trip offers students the opportunity for multiple hands-on marine science adventures. The trip includes snorkeling, marine labs, species investigation, and research. Space is extremely limited, so please get your field trip form in ASAP if you're interested. Save the date for our next Atlantis Gateway night on Thursday, February 27th at 6 o'clock p.m. Before winter break, our elementary students donated $1 to Safety Patrol to vote for a teacher or administrator to get a pie in the face. Here are some pictures and videos.
Can you guys go have a seat? Let's see who's going to get the pie in the face.
Our elementary Sharks of the month of December celebrated by having popcorn with the principal. Here are some pictures. We had our National Honor Society and Junior Honor Society induction ceremony. Congratulations, students and families. The Kiwanis Club donated bicycles to the Mather family. We are so happy these girls joined PBMA from the Bahamas. The girls love their new bikes, and we are thankful to the Kiwanis Club for helping to brighten their holidays. Ms. Trish visited kindergarten to teach the students what it means to be human and how we are different than animals. She brought her Sunfire bearded dragon to help demonstrate. Here's Ms. Dvorak.
Happy New Year, everyone. It's Ms. Dvorak, the elementary school counselor. Just wanted to wish everyone a Happy New Year, as well as remind everyone that the Positivity Project continues. This week back, we've been focusing on the character strength of optimism. So really focusing on the positive outlook on the new year and being optimistic of all the great things that are happening and will continue to happen. I also wanted to let you know that the t-shirts are back on sale. I'm going to be placing one more order. Those are for our Wednesday pink t-shirts as well as our Friday blue t-shirts. So I will place the final order on January 24th, so make sure that you get in the payment. It's $10 for one t-shirt, $16 for both. So again, you can pay the front office, but make sure you get your last order in before it finishes on January 24th. Thank you.
Congratulations to our Elementary Teacher of the Month, Ms. Watkins. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information throughout this school year. I'm Mrs. Cooper. Thanks for watching. And remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.